This is Paul at Downeast Under Creations. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you enjoy the video. Hey everyone, it's Thursday, November 23rd, and here in the United States, that is Thanksgiving Day. So I just wanted to wish all my fellow American viewers a happy Thanksgiving, and thank you for watching my video. And this is going to be a short one. I just wanted to give you an update on the tiny house build. And well, it was on Sunday, this past Sunday, I drove down to Seekonk, Massachusetts. Here from Maine, it's almost an 8-hour drive. And I stayed overnight in a Best Western hotel. And then on Monday morning, only about 1.5 miles away, I went down to Wright Trailers. It's on Route 6 in Seekonk, Massachusetts, directly across the street from the Seekonk Speedway, and picked up the trailer that Steve Wright manufactured for my daughter for her tiny house. And it's an 8-foot by 20-foot tiny house trailer. It's made specifically for tiny houses, and what an excellent job. So I'm going to show you that in this video and give you a little bit more information. And before I go further, I'm going to post on the screen Wright Trailers Incorporated information. You can pause the screen at any time and write it down, or if you prefer, just go down to the video description below the video and I'll have all that information down there for you. So hey, remember to give me a like and subscribe and share if you haven't done all that stuff. I very much appreciate it. Keeps the channel going. And thank you for watching. Well, here's the trailer. Back here in Maine now. I have it right beside the shop, so it's easy for me when I'm working on it to go back and forth. I have tools and equipment, and so that just makes life a little easier. And as you can see here, there's a sheet metal pan on the bottom. That was an option that we had Steve Wright put in for us, and that'll keep any moisture, road dirt and stuff, you know, from the bottom splashing up under the insulation, and it also helps hold in the heat when we put in the rock wool insulation for the floor. And because this is going to be a 4-season trailer, meaning, you know, it'll be used here in Maine during the winter. We do have some very long cold winters. So the work has to begin now. The first step is to put in floor joist, insulation, vapor barrier. We have to put in the subfloor, and all that has to be bolted into place, and then we'll top it over until we're ready for the next phase, which will be building the walls. So tomorrow my daughter and I are going to go shopping for materials. We're going to take the truck and go pick up a bunch of stuff, and then we'll begin construction. So in a future video you'll see all that. And I'm going to keep doing these installments on the tiny house build as we have have content to put into a video, and show you the build as it progresses. But this is a very well made trailer. I'll show you around. Well, first off, you can see that this frame is quite substantial. It's very beefy, and the welds on here, all the welding is it's very well done. Construction is excellent. Everything's heavy duty. The paint job came out well. LED lights. We're really happy with it. This is a heavy gauge sheet metal pan. It's a heavier gauge metal than most of these tiny house trailer manufacturers use. So it's a little bit more expensive, but it's quite substantial. It's beefy. It's going to last. So we're happy with that. And you can see how they flanged the trailer out here so that you can put the stud walls. You know, it has plenty of support. They made the wheel wells instead of an angle or curvature, they're square. This is so it makes it easier to install the walls. 10,000 pounds, well, they're 5,200 pound axles, so you get a little over 10,000 pound capacity, and everything about this trailer just shows quality. It's very beefy. It's excellent. I'm just very happy with the construction. It's just very solid. So we're going to begin construction soon. As I said, today is Thanksgiving Day, so today's a holiday. Everything is closed, and it's kind of a damp day. It's overcast. It's been raining, so we're lucky it rained, because it could have been snow here in Maine. We could have been buried, but we're going to get started soon. Anyway, thank you for watching my video. You have a good idea what this trailer looks like now and what we're dealing with. It's 8 feet, the tiny house itself, the footprint is 8 feet wide, 20 feet long, and right now my wife and daughter are inside the house, and they're playing around with the computer, and they're working out different floor plans, what they think is going to work best for my daughter. Well, folks, thank you so much for watching. I very much appreciate it. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, and if you do subscribe, remember to ring that little bell so that you can be notified of any new videos that are released. And thanks again for watching.